Hello. I would like to show what ClickSoftware can do to impact your productivity. We will explore a case example demonstrating just how powerful the return is when leveraging mobile workforce management and optimization solutions. Let's say an average company has 1,000 field employees. And with 1,000 field employees, let's say that the average loaded cost per field employee is $50K per year. So we have 1,000 field employees times $50K per year, which means our annual field employee loaded labor cost is $50 million. It's a big number, right? Yeah, that's a big number, and that's before we even start looking at overtime, fuel, communication, and other costs. Now let's explore the field operation performance. Each field employee does on average, what, 4 tasks a day? Okay, 4 tasks a day, great. So that's 20 tasks per week per field employee. If every field employee is doing 20 tasks per week, you are completing 20,000 tasks a week in total. That's a lot of tasks. Doesn't it seem logical that better optimization and visibility could allow us to squeeze in just 1 extra task per week per field employee? This is a very conservative number, but for now, let's say it's 1 extra task. So, at 20 tasks per week, 1 extra task is 5%. So what this means is that you can do 5% more tasks with the same workforce, or you can do the same number of tasks you have today with 5% less resources. Let's explore a return at 5%. 5% times our 50 million is an annual saving of 2.5 million. But what if you can do more than 1 extra task per week? Say you can do 1.5. That's 7.5%. And if you get 2 extra tasks per week, we're talking about 10%. So very quickly you can start to do the math here and see that if it is 10%, which we might be able to get, it's an annual saving of $5 million. If it's 15%, it's now 7.5 million. And the numbers are truly staggering, generating a 5-year saving of 37.5 million on labor cost alone. And that's based on 1,000 field employees. Well, on average, ClickSoftware solutions generate about 17% productivity gain. Yours could be more or could be less, but in our example, it's still much less than 1 job per day. So for less than 1 job per day in our organization here, we have made an annual saving of 8.5 million a year, or 42 million over 5 years. Where else can we generate saving? So if we can make people 17% more effective, maybe we can save 10% in fuel. A good travel average across the US would be approximately 85 miles per field employee per day. 10% represents 44 miles per week, which is probably 2 gallons. At $3.80 per gallon, it's an additional annual saving of nearly $400K. But it's not only fuel. We can also reduce costs of phone, overtime cost, dispatchers. There's a lot to save by consolidating dispatch operation centers and a huge impact on customer satisfaction. Are you beginning to see what value workforce management and optimization can have in your business? Contact us today to arrange a personal demo and we'll show you how ClickSoftware can help you get better at what you do best.